Kick the
What's
dust
up,
up.
YouTube? This is the welding machine coming back to you guys with another video. We're making our way slowly to the shop. Bam, shop. This is my future. This is the future workshop. All been paid. Filling in all this empty space. I got empty space right here. I'm gonna show you guys how much empty space I got. Look at, I got so much empty space. Look at that, so much empty space. I'm only taking up that much with all my stuff. All this stuff is just stored right here, but it's a 30 by 22 foot building. All right, guys, so we're gonna direct your attention to some artwork. So this is the top view right here. That's the top view. Let's zoom in right here so you guys can get a good quality photo. That's the welder, that's the oxygen, and that's the acetylene. Oxygen is just approximately 53 inches tall. That's how tall the bottle is. His side view, there's a, I know, I'm not an artist. I used to be. But that's the oxygen, acetylene. So if you look at this diagram down below, it got 15 inches. I gotta drop the oxygen tank so to clear the canopy, not canopy, but the bed, because it has a canopy to go over top. Not a canopy, but a camper shell to go over top. And inside of the camper shell is about 40 inches. So I gotta drop the oxygen tank about 15 inches. But anyways, going back to this diagram right here. So we got about, let's see, can't make it a little bit clear for you guys. I'm gonna try to hold my hand still. So you got 15 inches from top to bottom. And you gotta go over 8 inches. The tanks is, think, about 7.5 inches wide in diameter. So we're gonna go over about 8. Then we're gonna go up about 9 inches to make up the difference, because I'm only dropping the acetylene 6 inches. So acetylene is gonna be dropped from here to this point and then go over. That's where it's gonna sit in. And I'll probably put like a wall up or something, like a divider, so it don't slide over like that. Yeah, got it jacked up. I'm about to put those some coilover shocks right there. Those came off of my black truck. Coilover shocks are still good. I'm doing the body work on it. That's used to where the tail light used to be. I'm gonna sand that up. And we still didn't forget about the welding, the roller generator. I gotta get the paint for it. There's new tires and whatnot. But we gotta change the coilover shocks, which is, let's see if you can't see it. See that yellow thing right there? See, it's not the best lighting. Let's see if we can't get you guys that view of. There we go. You see that yellow shock right there, right there, right there. I gotta change those so I can carry more weight, payload. That's what underneath the trailer looks like. It's, once I make my money, then I'll probably end up buying a new one. Probably gonna use that for extension cords, hook extension cords in there to pull them out, or welding leads. Got my 100-foot cord right there, my drop cord, 16 gauge. Got my toolbox, my cell phone, my tape measure, and my water bottle. Cause you gotta stay hydrated. Hydrated, guys. Diagram on the floor. That's gonna be oxygen, and that's gonna be acetylene, and it's gonna be 16 inches wide and 8 inches long from the end of the bottle. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. There's an oxygen tank. It's approximately 52 inches. And yeah, the shop is dirty. Haven't cleaned it up after my last build, my last job project. But yeah, that's the shop, y'all. You know, it's gonna be working on the trailer rig. There's the old black truck. The front tires, I got somebody doing some work to it. Can't show you that. But yeah, so we're about to get into this building right quick. Let's see if I can't find the keys. Alright, we go. Here's the keys to the castle. Let's see if we can't find the right key. The shop. So what we're gonna do now is what we went over, the little diagram and whatnot. Got the angle for it. We're gonna probably, dang, we gotta do something about this mess. Like, we gotta really do something about this. We gotta do some organization here. We gotta do something, because it's hard to work around with all this shit. You know what I'm saying? I got the angle. We gotta cut the angle. So yeah, let's jump into this video. What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine, and welcome back. See what we got. Oh, everything's cleaned up. Didn't put no tools away yet, but that's the messy side. This is the welding side. Got all the tools on the table right there. Got a whole mess of fabrication tools. Got my welders lined up. Got my bandsaw. I can get to that when I do the project for the tanks. Got the welders plastic up. That's the generator in the middle. Got the oxygen tank, got the settling on the back of the trailer bed, got the body work going. And I got the scrap metal, and I got both two tool boxes and this aluminum box that's gonna go on the other trailer right there. Probably gonna mount that one up probably tomorrow maybe. But yeah, that's what we got, guys, and stay tuned to the Welding Machine, and I appreciate everything. Appreciate all the views, keep them coming. And if you guys got any oh wait. See, 40 foot of this pipe right here. This 4.5 1/4 inch thick schedule 40 pipe all along this wall. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. Probably should build a metal rack. That way I put all my metal, keep it, you know, steel outside or something like that, or inside. And I got my flag, and I got some more metal, and I got some car parts. Some TIG wire. I gotta organize a little bit better. But yeah, so this is what we got so far. I'm gonna go organize some stuff. So I'll be back. The Welding Machine out, y'all. Here we go. See that little hole right there? See, maybe, oh, that hole's blocked. This one. Okay. Well, there's a hole right there. You see it? So we're gonna take this tube right here, slide this tube on there. We're probably gonna cut a notch off of it. I got some flatter tube, weld a washer on both sides, and then, I mean, it'll roll. And then I'll probably put like a washer on both sides to keep it from moving, but where it spin, and then spin the reels off. I don't know if you guys can see me clear, but this is the Welding Machine. I appreciate all the views and everything. If you guys got any videos you want me to do, just drop a comment below. And thanks for watching.